Hello, this will be a very quick video. I will show you new features of Recife. I'm releasing a new version, and now we are using TLC instead of Alloy, right? And the main components of our model are the global state. We have just a map, right? Just a map, namespace keywords, and then we have the processes send and receive, which just put things in the variables, and the other as we define remove things. Just change state. We define steps, receive and sender a step, and are associated with a function which receives a state and returns a new state. And here it's just like we are used to in Recife, and here is different because we are saying that we want to check that in the end of everything, when there are no more possible state change, we are saying that received will be how can I say that the elements of send will be received in the same order as they were entered, and we see that it is violated, right? Let's run here our result. It will create a trace with probably 80 states, right, starting from 0. Let me see here. Yes, and we can see here in the end that the received was out of order of what we are stating. So it's a violation. We also have this data structure, but maybe sometimes it can be better to see it as a animation result. So let me see here. We are using Quill to draw things on the web, so you can see this dynamically. You can make simple interaction with it. This representation of a set, this representation of a vector. Each white ball is a white circle is an element, right? It's just a high level overview, graphical representation of all trace. So it can help. Maybe it can help you understand a little better reason your trace. Yeah, and also different of Alloy that we had before, we can use any library, any JVM library that you want. It's just normal code, right? One example is that we can use let me see, type let me see, yes. Here we are saying that the type of variables, the spec are this have this structure, right? We are using here Mali for it. Oh god, yeah, Mali for it, and we are validate. Also, the other thing we're using a library is here, that this example TXL, that we are using L that Jepsen uses to check if the histories are serializable.